Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a classic Christmas treat recipe. Here's the simple and delicious plum cake recipe for you. For that I am taking 2 fresh oranges, extracting the juice from that I got 3/4 cup, adding the dry fruits, adding 2 tablespoons of black grapes, 2 tablespoons of dry grapes, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of chopped anjeer, 2 tablespoons of chopped cherries, 2 tablespoons of tutti frutti, and 2 tablespoons of chopped dates. Mix it well nicely and wrap it and keep it aside for 5 to 6 hours. Let it soak for 5 to 6 hours. Now take around 1/4 cup of sugar. Now we are preparing the caramel. Stir it continuously until caramel extracts. Once sugar gets melted, add around 1/4 cup of warm water in portions. Stir it continuously in low flame. Now we are preparing the caramel water. So now the caramel water is ready. After 5 to 6 hours, remove the wrap and add the caramel water into the mixture. Mix it well and keep it aside for some time. Now let's prepare the flavorful spice blend for the plum cake. Take a blender, add 2 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, small piece of dry ginger, very small piece of nutmeg, 1 piece of cardamom and 1/4 cup of sugar into it. Blend it into a fine powder. Now add around 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1/4 cup of curd. Again blend into a fine paste. The paste should be in very smooth texture. Now transfer the paste into a bowl. Take a sieve and take 1½ cup of maida all-purpose flour. Add half tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoon of milk powder. Sift it nicely. A traditional plum cake is a rich, moist and flavorful dessert that's perfect for the holiday season. Mix it well. Add the dry fruits mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And just grate the orange just half a tablespoon. Use whisker or spatula to mix it well. Mix it nicely. Use cut and fold method if required. And now the cake mixture is ready to bake. Take a tray and apply butter on butter paper. Transfer the mixture into a baking tray. Tap it for 3 to 4 times to set. And arrange some toppings with dry fruits. Preheat the oven at 170 degree for 10 minutes and bake at 170 degree for 50 to 55 minutes. And that's it, the yummy plum cake is ready to taste. So try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thank you all. Bye bye.